Hello everybody, we're doing some more Blockout dev today. I'm going to put myself down here. Maybe even, we'll go there for now. That's not bad. This needs to be a little bit quieter. Beautiful. Okay, so the issue that I have found is that there's a funny bug that I found during the other stream. So if I turn this on, I turn on parenting mode, I click U, and then we go to placement mode, and we have a default cube, and we scale him up a bit. When I place him, we're like, where are they going? They're not going anywhere, right? Wrong. They are. They're just getting scaled because of this guy's scaled big. So, what is the way to get around that? The obvious way is these guys can't be scaled. They need to be the size that they are. So, yes. The way that we do that is by changing the prefab so that their scale is their actual scale. I want to do some experiments now with mesh exporter, export asset. Interesting. First, let's jump into Dan's scene. Sure. And have a look at these weathered blocks. He's made them a prefab, which is very much appreciated. Let's turn Blockout off. So these guys are gorgeous. There is no denying that. They look really, really good. So, if I go to Tools, Pro Builder, Export Asset, Weathered. Let's just chuck that in my downloads. Creating asset at path failed. Why? You're right, it's not there. Maybe I need to do it within the assets folder somewhere. Rendering meshes. Let's just chuck it in here. Because we do have this, which is quite funny. I went through and exported everything properly. Yeah. Let's give this another go. Let's go Window, Tools, Pro Builder, Export, Asset, in Rendering Meshes, Block Weathered. There we go. Cool. So instead of using Pro Builder, instead what we could use is just a mesh filter. No, it doesn't. Oh, right. Block Weathered. There we go. Now my question is, clone of a clone, interesting. Oh my god. Actually, probably shouldn't have done that. Let's go back, actually. Because I want to keep... Yeah, I want to keep... let me just open this and make sure that the it doesn't have a weird metadata. Okay, no, we're all good. So, where are you? You're in blocks, block weathered, okay. Prefab blocks. Let's actually make the one in here. Actually, meshes. Let's make a new folder called 3.6 Pro Builder Objects and move blocks. Cool. And then you are actually, we'll put him back here. But you can be block weathered 1. That's fine. And then if we go window, tools, Pro Builder, export. Tools, Pro Builder, export asset, Pro Builder block weathered into, actually we will call it block weathered 1. In rendering meshes, there you are. Beautiful. 1 by 1. My question is, oops, keep changes. Bruh, that's the problem with having it open. If I change you to be scale 2, and then if I export this, actually, if I make a variant of this, and then in here we set him to 2, and then we export him like this. Export asset, scale 2 in meshes. Are you going to be bigger? No. That is an issue. Okay. If I bring up Pro Builder, how do I? Geometry, object. I can't edit this, can I? No. Hello, Yash. There always was, but it's more significant now. I don't know if you're still here. Sorry, I was locked in. Why can't I open the Pro Builder window? Material smoothing UV vertex color position vertex position editor. I have huh? Yeah. Cool. So apparently it's just gone, which is so stupid. Toyota. Yeah, so if we select him and go to here. And then all those lovely nicks and stuff. Interesting. Okay. Super weird. That is a problem for another day, I think. But that being said, original blocks, sticky blocks. Yep, scale 1 block. I think we did a thing actually. Yeah. Yeah. So we could go original blocks, standard blocks. So instead of doing this scale, let's reset all these guys. Let's use your thing. $32, $64, $128, $256, $512, $1024, $2048. Cool. Let's see if that's fucked up the main scene at all. Doesn't seem to have. What are you doing? Oh, right. No, everything still seems fine, which is great. Cool. So that's fixed that issue. The next issue is, do we... Yeah, cool. I feel like I wish I could make like a double prefab parent, which makes no sense, but it would be really cool if it did. Because obviously we have our sticky blocks. I'm also calling them standard, which is not the same lingo that I was using before. I was using default. I think what I'm gonna do is, yeah, I think I'll do it off him. Instead. The issue is that now we have variants. So in here, I need to create a folder called 4.2.2.1. Actually, no, let's just call it variant 1. Which is going to break stuff in the thing. So block standard. So let's just call it standard variant 1 scale 1. I'm gonna have to read all these anyway. Because you can all go. Block standard now needs, I need to make another variant called block standard variant 1. And like so on and so on and so on and so on. Let's just do 2 for now. And then from you, yeah, because all these guys are going to be like, no, my dad's dead. From you, we need both of these guys actually. Let's make a new variant from this guy called scale 1. Oh, scale 1. And then you go in here. And if I open you up, you go first to block standard variant 1, and then to block standard, and then to block. Great. Yes. Cool. And then we make a bunch of copies of this guy. Yeah, that looks wrong for some reason. Cool. And then we go through and we do the usual, your scale 2, you're using that. This one. No, 8. Oops. 4, 8, 16, 32. Yeah, I thought this looked wrong. $32. Oh. 32. 64. 128, 256. Yeah, there we go. $64. 128. 256. 512. 1024. 2048. Cool. Beautiful. Love it. And so standard blocks. Cool. And then let's do the same thing for this guy, just so that we have multiple variants just to have. Great. Variant 2, I want to make a variant from you called standard scale 1, variant 2 scale 1. And so if I open you up, it's variant 2 standard block. Great. Variant 2. Variant 2 scale 1. Scale 2. Scale 4. $64, $64, $128. $512. $1024. $2048. Slay. Cool. So now back in Blockout Manager, we need to change the way that a lot of things really. So not now. The first thing is that Blockout Manager is going to throw some errors. Clear list, load standard blocks. So path. The path is now different. So we have, oh, I gotta do the preview blocks as well. Fuck. All right, that's fine. So blocks standard scale 1. We're adding these to a list. Standard variant 1, variant 2, the previews can stay the same for now. We'll fix that later. What we do need to change though is this. And then I forget. Yeah, you're shitty because block standard is changed. Yes. Okay. I think the first thing that we need to do is have a variant index. And then we need block standard is now a 2D array. Or maybe even a list of game object arrays, I think is probably the best way to do it actually. Because that way we can add them more easily. Why are you shitty? Namespace or type list could not be found. What do you mean? Yes. And then we do a private game object array called blocks standard variant 1, and then you get variant 1 added, if I can spell it right. Block standard. Ah. Cool. And then we also want to get all the variants, and then, oh god, this is going to be a nightmare. It's not that bad actually, it's just I gotta know my shit. And then we have our blocks standard, and we're going to add you. And then we are going to create a dictionary, I think, that uses takes in placement mode and returns a list of game objects. Yes. Close. You start with a placement value, placement mode, and then we have a list of game objects. And you are equal to a new see. You do need that. What does that go after? Whoa. No, I don't want a struct. This is fix. Oh, it needs a name, of course. Silly me. Beautiful. And then once we have done this, then we add it to add standard blocks list to dictionary. Beautiful. And then down here, instead of doing this, we do prefab. I think what we do instead is we do prefab is equal to block dictionary, placement mode, index, variant index. Look at that. Beautiful. You want to send me a thing? Okay. So we've got a bunch of errors getting shitty about this. So instead of this, we do I think what we do is blockout index, a block dictionary. Yep, placement mode count -1. It's going to be a lot of that. It's going to be block dictionary, block dictionary, placement mode count -1. Same again. And then instead of this, we can kill that and do block dictionary, placement mode. Yeah. Yep. If variant index, I think. No. Variant index. No. Just this. Dot count. Dot length. because this is returning the list of game objects. Although yeah. No, it should just be this, I think. No. So, oh, I think we're doing it the wrong way around, actually. Because, like, blockout index is not the right term at all, really. It should be scale index. And so we should really be doing variant index first, and then scale index. Oops. Yep. Variant, then scale. Yep. That's much better. Yep. That's way better. So yeah, whenever we want to find this, we do the length of this array. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, because that'll get us the end. Yeah, because that's returning a list. This is getting the variant index. Yes. Cool. Yep, so it's placement mode, variant index. Yep. Previous index does not equal this. It's placement mode, variant index, dot length. -1. Yep. Cool. Handle prefab index change. Handle scale index change. If this is equal to block dictionary, placement mode, variant index, dot length, block dictionary, placement mode, variant index, length -1, I believe. And then similarly, Get rid of this. Block placement. Yeah, so this is placed object. So now we do block dictionary. Placement mode variant index scale index. Cool. Name block standard doesn't exist in context. Clear lists. Oh boy. So let's, yep, do that. Do that. Get rid of you. Clear the a Blackout manager, okay. Yeah. Cool. I wonder if that'll work. Oh yeah, and we needed to change the path for these guys. So this path, have we done both or just the one? We've just done the one. Let's just do this one first. So it's not going to be that. It's going to be standard box variant 1. Control Shift C, I remember doing something. Alt Control C. That should work. Let's jump back into my lovely scene and turn Blockout on and see if we get errors. Index out of range. Cool, good start. Let's turn it off and on again and see what happens. The same key has already been added, okay. Where, yeah, okay. Load prefabs. I think here we need to kill Blockout dictionary. Getting a lot of index out of ranges. Interesting. This looks wrong for sure. Cool. So it finds all those guys. Great. They are definitely in the list. The dictionary as standard. And then all the guys in it. Getting an index out of range here. Placement mode, scale index, which probably makes sense. This needs to be variant index. Oh. Why? That's very strange. It really shouldn't load when turning it off. That's so stupid. Where's the toggle? Toggle blockout on or off is very silly. Yeah, this is stupid. Take this out of here. Let's only load them on turning it on, shall we? If then do this. Yeah, do we need to do anything else? Where's toggle blockout? Oh. Oh, stupid. Just do this in here. Great, we can turn it off without any issues. Getting a null reference here, which is very interesting. Oops. What are you doing? When are you... View... That's on GUI. Oh, this should only really be happening... Most of this should only be happening when Blockout's on. Let's just do this when Blockout's on, shall we? Okay. That's fine, it's not breaking at all. So what it's doing... on standard blocks lists, invalid GUI. Interesting, so it's getting to here and breaking. Which is very strange. Let's just comment out this for the mo. Oh, I think I know why, actually. It'll be because these guys aren't set into the proper layers, yeah. some reason they don't... I can't place them on top of each other. I can place them on other stuff. What's the difference? Do you guys not have box? No, you've got box colliders. On the right layer. Why? Why? Oops. Blockout. Down dar in on-scene GUI. Raycast hit. Variant index, scale index, yes. Why? 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 Hey, Dillo. That was 20 minutes ago. I wonder if that's you still watching. It's very strange to me that I can't... that Blockout's not hitting them. Like if I go into deletion mode, it absolutely sees them. But placement mode, for some reason... Maybe try checking on the default layer. No, that's not it. Hello. G'day, Halen. G'day, Vai Biahav Maldekora. So, I'm making a system that's going to speed up level design called Blockout, where you can click and place blocks. I've just been working on changing it from reading the prefabs from an array, but now I've turned it into a big dictionary so that everything is stored kind of in the one central place. The issue is a very strange one in that for some reason I can't place stuff on stuff I've placed with the new system. And to that end, I'm going to debug some stuff. So we're raycasting all the time. Yep. It's getting heaps of raycasts, but oh my god. Yeah, we're doing heaps of raycasts. Yeah, we're raycasting all the time, but we're not getting many hits. Let's actually change this. Why? Yeah, see, it's not hitting stuff there, but it is. Is it the raycast method you're using? Maybe. It's really... I don't think it's a layer thing, because this default layer, when I go back to the default layer and turn thingy... Oh, let's get rid of these other fucking debugs, because this now works, which is great. So we're raycasting all the time, and we're only hitting stuff when we're looking at something that I haven't placed with the new system. But the really weird thing is that they're on the same layer. Maybe it's something in my physics settings. Because I've done this, but that's fine. Very strange. Raycast method, potentially. I'm just doing a normal... Maybe it's this? GUI point to world ray? The weird thing was that... I don't understand why it was... Internal global event handler is doing this a couple times, which I also don't understand. So, which is somehow a different debug.log. Yeah, I was thinking maybe it perhaps something to do with the physics not updating the editor. Maybe. Ray. That's probably a way better way to do it. Let's just try that before I resort to... screen to point? Camera won't work in the editor. Yeah, it won't. I didn't think so. What should I use instead? Yeah. Dealing very confident. Yep. Yes, very confident they have box colliders. Yes, they do. Maybe it's the fact that this isn't a trigger. That'd be weird. Oh, why did I hit play? Scene, last active view, camera. Okay, we'll give that a go. Oh, I like not hitting anything now. Yeah, let's give that a go. Actually, let's just comment this out. Ray. See if we can figure it out. Yeah. There we go. That's better. Oh, no, it isn't. What the fuck? And it's not like it's not updating. This is bizarre. I think what I need to do is extract this out to just have a look at it. And then, yes, you're getting shitty. Let's see what's going on a bit more. Ooh. Let's draw it, and then also fuck it. Let's see what that does. Whoa. Yeah, hit point's a good idea too. That's funny. Yeah, let's just draw another hit point. This isn't doing anything. It's just, yeah, going like that. We do length. No. Maybe hit. Actually don't need any of this. I just yeah, I just need to see that it's actually hitting it, is what I was trying to do. Oh. I see. No, it's getting real shitty with that. Base. Huh. Something called base. There's probably, actually, I know what that is. It'll be on the pressure plate. Potentially. Yeah, it's that. Gizomo. Sphere handle cap. That's cool. But that's only going to work. Yeah. What's it doing up here? Sure. No, yeah, I thought not. You fucker. I would use the handles class over gizmos because it can draw wire objects and 2D objects too. True. True. Something. Yep. It's also like sometimes freaking out, I think. I've got a suspicion actually that it's something to do with the preview blocks. Yeah, you guys don't have collision. I think this is a post-lunch problem. I'm annoyed that I got rid of all my old prefabs from this scene. Although I could just revert that. Yeah, that's actually exactly what I'm gonna do. Yeah, they're fully gone now, which is fine. That might be cool, Helen. Let me keep tinkering though. Either way, let's push this. Yeah, of course I can't see it. But it looks like it should be reaching. I don't understand why it wouldn't be. You definitely have a box collider. Oh. Oh, I know what it is. I didn't scale the fucking thing. Fuck. That's so annoying. That's an easy fix though, at least. Okay, cool. I'm gonna fix that and then go have some lunch. Rendering prefabs. I know, it's always the simplest shit. Because I just changed these to work with a proper mesh instead of scaling the object so that you can parent stuff. Yeah, fuck. That's so annoying. No, 1. 4, 4, 4. It's always the simple stuff. It really is. I should have, is the box collider there? That should have been step 1. No, it was there last time. Bruh. It's always the simple shit. And I am stupid, but that's okay. We learn. We live and we learn. And this system's coming along nicely, so I really can't be too mad. Particularly, I've been thinking about the using a dictionary, and I'm so happy that that works. I love dictionaries, and I haven't had a chance to use them in ages. Cool. 2048. 2048. 2048. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 28. Great. Wow. Dictionaries are usually hard to use in Unity because they aren't serializable in C#. Correct. That is the tricky bit. Debugging them is a little bit of a bitch. Pow. Ooh. Sort of, kinda. It's being a little funky, actually. Oh, I can look into why the hit's being funny later. Why is it flipped? What the fuck? Hello? Excuse the fuck out of me? Yeah, because I'm using this. Cool. That's funny. Oh, what the fuck is right? Tits. There we go. Okay, we're back. Hell yeah. Beautiful. Fuck yeah. Okay. Lunchtime. I will see you soon. When am I seeing you next, Halen? I'll be around. Lunch, push, what the fuck? It's always the simple shit. Gorge. Alrighty, I'll catch you later. Peace.